Hey everyone, so in this video we are looking at a dependent t-test and how to execute that on SPSS. So with a dependent t-test, your participants per se, the subjects being tested or whatever, are taking part in maybe two portions of the test. So maybe they are not only getting the medication, but the next day they're doing the placebo. So they are interrelated and dependent on each other. So in your data set, you're probably given three columns. One's a participant column, and then maybe you're given in my instance, I was given like a pain med, pain-free thing, and then a placebo column. So I suggest not incorporating the participant column at all, just leaving it out. It's not important, you don't need it. And it just confuses people, so just leave the participants out completely. So from there, you input your two columns. So I have pain-free pain meds, and then I have the placebo. They are two separate columns here. And then from here, once you've input that, you go to Analyze, Compare Means, Paired Samples t-test, and then you just drag one variable over to variable 1, and you drag the second variable over to variable 2. Make sure that you keep it as the same line here, so keep pair 1 as variable 1, variable 2, same in line with each other. If you click on options, it just gives you the option to put a confidence interval percentage in there. You don't necessarily need that, but you can enter it if you need it for your specific instance. So then you click OK, and it brings up this paired samples test. And as you can see here, it has mean, standard deviation, standard error of mean. It gives you the confidence interval for 95% unless you changed it. And then degrees of freedom, the t-value for that. And then it also gives you the significance. This is where you want to analyze your values to see whether or not you reject the null hypothesis. If it is less than 0.05, then you reject the null. So as you can see here, it is less than 0.05, so you would reject the null hypothesis in this instance. So that is how you perform a dependent t-test.